Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. All right, before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor. Click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell, okay? So you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, guys, I want to go over IPS, the copy-paste method. You can check the link out in the description at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, I want to give you some new updates, okay, that we have for 2022 for the system. I'm super excited to share those with you, okay? So if you have not joined this opportunity, let me go over it really quick, a quick review, and then I want you to check it out and get started. Okay, learn our $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. I love this program. It focuses on its training. You get digital training, video, audio training on how to promote on social media. Using social media, it's free. Okay, it comes with all the training you need step by step. You get this website, your picture is here, your link to your social media, your name is here. It explains everything. It shows you how it works with these 3 steps. You get started, you pick a package, you post your pre-written ads. They give you the images, they give you the ads, they tell you where to place the ads, okay? Step by step, copy and paste, and you get paid, okay? Instantly, any way you want. So you get this wonderful website. There's no monthly fees with this program. You're going to pay $25 for your website because it's customized to you. It's got your picture, your social media link in there, and your name. Okay, so one-time investment, you're in. All right, now this program comes with 3 products, just 3 products. Okay, so you can start any way you want, from the influencer brand marketing level, $50. Okay, and you get all this training. Okay, this is the training you get. Again, it focuses on how to market on social media. Okay, using Facebook. They even give you Craigslist training. Okay, they give you Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Okay, so depending on which product you purchase, that's the training that you're gonna get. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna show you. Starter levels, $50. Go check the link out in the description. All the details, www.thecopypastemethod.com. But you get the starter level. Okay, $50, and of course, again, it's $25 for your website. So it's $75 to get this training, influencer brand marketing. Okay, so it's a starter level, just what it says. Then the second training product is elite level. It's $150 plus the $25 for this one. But if you get the elite, you also get the starter level. It's included. So this is called the Internet Automation Secrets. Okay, so you get more training with this one than you would get with the starter. As you can see, the list is longer. Okay, each level gives you the Craigslist training, but you get more get more images, yes, and you get more ads. You get more marketing. You get more training. Okay, now I'm a pro member. I'm at the pro level. You spend $325, you get everything. Okay, the 6-figure blueprint is included in this one. Way more training, guys. So you're able to make $300 commissions. Okay, with this one. So someone comes in and they purchases the pro level, you're able to make $300. Okay, versus the 50 or the 150. Okay, so you go all in for $325. I definitely recommend it. Okay, so you get paid any way you want. You get this training and this website, and if you look here, it's a very simple website. It explains what the product is, what you get, how much you can make. It even give you illustrations of the different pay levels. Okay, very simple, and just what it says, copying and pasting the ads that they give you. I mean, you can't get any simpler than that. They tell you what to post, where to post, how to post. Okay, your ads. So if you're interested in social media marketing, this is the training for you. It's very newbie friendly. Okay, now I'm going to show you they've added some new training for 2022 in the back office in your membership area. I'm a pro level, so I'm not sure which ones each level is going to get. I have everything, okay? So I can only show you what I have. So I'm not sure how many new images was added to the elite and how much was added to the starter, but I can tell you 22, I counted them personally, 22 new images have been added to this pro level. I want you to hone in on that, okay? Because the pro level has everything. They already given you 200 ads and lots of images, and they've added 22 more, okay, to it. But we're going to go through the new additions, the new updates for this system. Copying and pasting, guys. If you can do that, you can do this actually from your smartphone. You don't have to have a computer, okay? Copying and pasting these ads. They have the website in your back office. It's mobile friendly and it's optimized, so it will come up just like you would see it on your desktop, okay? So let's go into the members area because I want to show you that, okay? But definitely go to the link in the description, thecopypastemethod.com. Get started. I'm going to run your first traffic campaign, okay? Get excited. All right, so let's go check it out. Okay, we had a that was in the Facebook group, the coaching Facebook group. The new additions was announced by the owner in the group, so I was there and I checked them out. So I'm going to show you what they are. So if you're already a member, just log in to your dashboard in your members area, okay, your membership area, and you will see what's been added for your level. For all the pro folks, this is who I'm talking to right now because this is what she stressed, okay? And this is why you want to be pro, because you get all the goodies. And if you're not pro, go ahead and upgrade, okay? You definitely want to do that. Upgrade. Go right here. See right here, it says how to upgrade. Click that button, log in your back office, and upgrade, okay? So let's see what's been added. So, as you can see here, 200 pre-written ads because I'm a pro member. I'm not going to show you all those ads, but I want to show you we've got some new additions, okay? So let's go check it out real quick. Zip through them. Hang on a second here. Okay, this is what we already have. But if we keep going, they stressed which ones it is, and right here. Okay. Let's see. Right here it says new bonus marketing image ads for social media. So we've got 22 new ads that have been added in this thing. I'm super excited about it. I like this system. Okay, so make sure you click there and get your additional images. All right. Now, what else has been added? She mentioned right here how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to make sure I don't disclose that information, but hang on, let's check it out. Okay, again, this is addition to what we already have as a pro level member. Now, how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites. They list those sites in this training. See right here, here's a 17-minute video, how to post unlimited ads on websites that have thousands of visitors a month for free. Click here to post 500 ads a day on complete autopilot, guys, to maximize your results. This is crazy, okay? So some more free methods on how you can promote this business. You're going to be able to make $50 commissions, $150 and $300 commissions, 3 levels, okay? Any way you want, instant pay. All right, let's see what else has been added. Okay, in our Craigslist training, okay, under the Craigslist tab, let me go back. Okay, go under Craigslist training, and then you're just going to go down, and you're going to see the new training. I'm going to show you how to identify it. Okay, this is for the pro members. Okay, let me show you how to identify it. Okay, the new additional Craigslist training. If you come down, it says bonus training. Number 2. How to generate tons of leads without posting any ads. Right here. How to find unlimited leads without posting ads on Craigslist. Global strategy. Okay. So another addition to the pro level, guys. This is why you want to be pro. You get all the goods. All the gems. Okay. With that being said, guys, here's the 3 products. Okay. Let's look at those once again right here. Starter level, elite, and pro. And pro is the one that's got all the goods, all the new additions. Yes, the starter level and elite level, they've added some images, but all that training I just went over with you, the Craigslist, and the other training is in the pro level. Okay, and you get 22 more images on top of that. Gotta go check it out. Go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Give me a call. Look forward to speaking with you guys about it, and look forward to working with you. See you on the inside. Until next time, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell.